JLR investigates life in prison for Leilani Simon for the murder of her little baby boy, Quinton Simon. We've been following this case extensively on JLR Investigates. She is spending the rest of her life in a woman's prison in Georgia. All those inmates are going to be waiting for her. Orange is the new black for Leilani Simon. Now, I'm going to show you some key locations centered around this case. The dumpster where Leilani put poor little Quinton. Her home. The landfill. I'm going to show you all of it. Also, folks, did the Department of Child and Family Services fail Quinton Simon on this case? I think so. Check out these clips right here. We were boots on the ground in that area. Jonathan Lee Riches investigates. I am in front of the home of Leilani Simon, the Quinton Simon case, Savannah, Georgia, Chatham County. I am here. A lot of bad things went down inside this home, on this property, in reference to the Quinton Simon case. I am here. I am covering the case. I am covering the proceedings for Leilani Simon, what transpired with Quinton Simon, why it happened, the Child Protective Service issues coming out of this home, Billy Joe Betterton, Leilani's mom. I am here covering this case. I am here. So I'm going to take you from the home of Leilani Simon to the Azalea Mobile Home Park, where Leilani was seen dumping trash bags, most likely belonging to Quinton Simon, his remains. We'll show you the distance. It's only a few miles away. Very, very short distance. Buckholder Road. I say most likely Quinton Simon in those trash bags, I say my own personal opinion that it was Quinton Simon. And that's my own personal feelings. Oakland Missionary Baptist Church.
a quarter mile, turn right onto Highway 17 North.
Some trailer parks right there. Trailers. A lot of trailers.
Take the next right onto Highway 17 North, then turn right onto Ogeechee Road.
So we're at Highway 17 in Buckhalter. There is a car dealership. Looks like a car dealership to the right and the left. Make a right. Right up here. That's this old gas station.
Take the next right onto Ogeechee Road, then turn left.
Right. Here we go. There's the sign. Azalea Plaza.
Take the next left, then turn right.
So I'm told that there's some dumpsters back here somewhere.
In 500 feet, turn right.
Where are the dumpsters?
Take the next right, then turn right.
Alright, looking around for these dumpsters. In the trailer park. Wow, look at this. So, dumpsters. Yeah, it looks like most likely here they got a sign. Yeah, so it looks like most likely it says security camera in use though. So yeah, look at that. Smile, you're on camera. Where's the camera though? Where is the camera? Ooh. Where is the camera though? Let's spin it back around. See if we can find this camera. So Leilani came in this trailer park and she dumped the garbage here. Let me just get out. Who would do such a horrible thing? Look at that. Who would do such a horrible thing? Who would do such a horrible thing and put a child inside here? I think it's disgusting. I think it's appalling. I think it's sick, shameful, disgusting. Disgusting. Right here. Subscribe to my channel, like, hit the notification button. I'm covering truth crime. I'm covering the Leilani Simon case. Justice for Quinton Simon. Love your loved ones. Jonathan Lee Riches Investigates. I am in Chatham County, Georgia, in front of Superior Landfill Waste Management. This is the place where Quinton Simon was found. The remains of Quinton Simon was found at the landfill here, Savannah, Georgia. Leilani Simon arrested in connection with the murder of her own son, Quinton Simon. It's a very sad case. I am covering this case. I'm covering the proceedings of Leilani Simon. Love your loved ones. We say no to child abuse. We say no to child neglect. I don't understand how someone could just dispose of a child like they're human garbage. It's sick. It's disgusting. It's appalling. It's offensive. Shame on Leilani Simon. She deserves to be in prison for the rest of her life for what she did to Quinton Simon. Do you agree or do you disagree? Where it says over there's cameras. Where are the cameras?
We don't have cameras over there, but there's cameras on the house. We used to have one right here, but someone took it down.
Oh, really?
I do believe they have cameras, but there's other people's cameras.
Has like police came and talked to you?
Yes, police came down here.
That's cool. Well, at least you know what I mean, cooperating. Sorry you had to go through it. Did people come and try to media come here and take pictures and stuff? What, you tell them to kick rocks? Yeah. I'm leaving, so don't mind me. I'm just leaving. I'm in peaceful. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Hey, can I pet your cat? Is that your cat?
Yeah.
Can I pet your cat? I love cats. I have a cat named OJ. What's your cat's name? I might have a can of food. Nah. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Biscuit.
Biscuit. You're cute. How old? About 6 months?
She's actually about a year old.
Look at you. I love kitties.
I love cats.
I love cats. I'm a cat lover. Take care. Be safe. Yeah. Have a great day.
Well, have a nice day, sir.
You too. Thank you. Thank you for giving me some insight. What do you have to say about Leilani Simon?
Yeah.
Horrible, isn't she? Life in prison for her. Bye. Jonathan Lee Riches Investigates. I am in front of the Chatham County Department of Family and Children Services, DFACS. Covering the Quinton Simon case, covering the Leilani Simon case. This agency here in Chatham County has a lot to do centered around the Quinton Simon case. A lot of people blame this agency for putting Quinton Simon and Leilani Simon's children in the hands of her mother, Billy Joe Betterton. Leilani Simon's mother, Billie Joe Betterton, which resulted then in Quinton Simon being back in the hands of Leilani Simon, and then Quinton Simon died. What's your thoughts on that? What's your thoughts on this agency here in Chatham County? Do you think the Department of Family and Children's Services of Chatham County failed Quinton Simon? Or do you think they did everything right? I am covering this case. I am in Chatham County, Savannah, covering the court proceedings of Leilani Simon. Sad situation. Her son, Quinton, was found in a waste management landfill. She was seen on surveillance at the Azalea trailer park, dumping bags into the garbage dumpsters there. Authorities say that was Quinton Simon. Then it went over to the landfill, and it took them a long time, but they found human remains belonging to Quinton Simon. Chatham County Department of Family and Children's Services, what's your thoughts? We'll talk soon. Everyone be safe. Love your children. Don't be like Leilani Simon. And I'm wondering what this agency knew, if they knew anything at all. I personally feel they should, or this agency is responsible for what happened to Quinton Simon. They should have never put children in the hands of Billie Joe Betterton, Leilani Simon's mother. She travels all over the place. She wasn't there. And then Leilani got her children taken away for a reason. Child neglect. Unfit mother. And then Billie Joe Betterton got the children and then left those children that were taken away from Leilani and put them back into Leilani's hands, which resulted in the death of Quinton Simon. Shameful. It's bad. Maybe this agency has to be looked at more about their policies, practices, and procedures to make sure this type of tragedy, the Leilani Simon, Quinton Simon tragedy, never happens again, and no child is ever put in the hands of an abusive mother or father or parent. We'll talk soon. Everyone be safe. Justice for Quinton Simon, for sure. Was that the appropriate sentence for Leilani Simon? Absolutely. You saw how she just disposed. You heard at her trial how she just disposed her little boy in that dumpster. And I shared where that dumpster is, in the trailer park down the road from her house. And then ultimately went to the landfill. And then Leilani playing dumb whilst authorities were out there searching for poor little Quinton. It's a terrible, terrible case. So our thoughts and prayers are with, some of the family members and the people that actually cared for little Quinton. It's a terrible tragedy. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leilani Simon, life in prison without parole. Yeah, appropriate sentence. It should have been the death penalty, in my opinion. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, check out my Quinton Simon playlist. We will talk soon. JLR Investigates. Stay safe.